Divine Collective, someone here is depressed. Spirit, why is this person depressed? Because you don't want to be their friend? This is a clique, a coven of dark witches. They're depressed because we can't be friends. They're mad because of your leadership skills, Divine Collective. I heard the head, leadership. Someone went against the will of the Most High God in this storyline. Feathers are of significance, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on like a major karmic energy here. It's this clique, this coven of dark witches. Spirit says the only thing they have in common is that they don't like you. They don't like each other, Divine Collective. But the only thing that they have in common is the fact that they don't like you. Okay? Make that make sense. Again, someone went against the will of the Most High God. There's good things coming towards you, Divine Collective. You're someone who is not very controversial. You don't go around looking for controversy here, Divine Collective. You stay in your lane for the most part. Okay? God has shown this clique, this coven, whoever it is, Divine Collective, has shown them multiple times that you are innocent. But again, something about your leadership, you being the head here, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on someone crying. If you've cried recently, Divine Collective, over something that someone has done, your angels do not like to see you cry. God does not like to see you cry. Just know that each tear is being counted, okay? Each tear is being counted. It's kind of like I wanted to say, and will be accounted for, Divine Collective. Yeah, someone has like a really bad feeling in their stomach. I don't know if you guys have ever got like that gut feeling, or it felt like your stomach fell in your feet. This is what Spirit is giving me, like a wrenching pain here, Divine Collective. Some type of gut wrenching pain someone is feeling. Spirit says, Divine Collective, the things that excite you are not random. They are connected to your purpose, okay? Pay attention to the things that excite you. These are not random. Spirit says you have a lot to offer. Stop being so down on yourself, Divine Collective. What it is just our entire lives, we've been made to feel like we're not worthy of anything, Divine Collective. So you kind of got to rewire yourself here. When you start to receive these gifts and opportunities, you have to remind yourself that you are worthy, okay? Rewire your brain. It's kind of like when you're first waking up. You're waking up from years of conditioning, negative conditioning, Divine Collective. So don't be so hard on yourself. You have a lot to offer, okay? Someone knows what a third party did to manipulate some type of relationship or situationship, Divine Collective. Someone knows that a third party has been doing spell work. Someone has gotten caught doing spell work here. There's proof, Spirit says. Someone has gotten proof. Maybe walked in on someone talking, a phone call. Maybe they were listening on the outside as someone was on the phone with someone and they were talking about how they've been attacking you, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, someone knows now what the third party has been doing to manipulate their relationship with you. Spell work. I'm getting spell work. This is a distorted feminine who was doing witchcraft. They wanted to change something with witchcraft, Spirit is saying. This distorted feminine. Someone who's crazy. I'm picking up on someone whose ego has to die so that they can be reborn again. And in the last reading, Spirit was telling someone that they had to forgive themselves. I feel like this is speaking towards the same type of energy here, Divine Collective. In order to come out of whatever this situation you found yourself in, Spirit is saying the ego has to die in order for you to be reborn, okay? Someone has to admit that they're the ones who cheated. There's certain scenarios that I'm picking up on here, Divine Collective, but they created these crazy situations, Spirit is telling me. That is of significance. Spirit says that this person knows how tapped in you are, spiritually tapped in you are. They're watching you, okay? Never let who you are get in the way of who God is, Divine Collective, okay? Spirit says men aren't trash. Women aren't crazy. 6:09 on the clock. Everyone is damaged. Most are distracted. Everyone needs healing and not everyone is aware of what or how to heal, Divine Collective. Nobody has all the answers. Be patient, be transparent, be compassionate, and be open to love. Be the light. okay? There was an investigator that was kind of watching over this timeline here. This investigator did research, Spirit is telling me, did research on you, and they're mind blown with what they found out. The initial L is here. What did they find out, Spirit, after doing investigation? What did they find out? Spirit says they found out what really happened. They found out the truth, that these people were lying, that they tried to make you sick. I'm also getting the flu, Divine Collective. So I love how Spirit just laid that out. After doing this research, they were mind blown with what they found out. Spirit says the reason they were mind blown because the truth. They found out the truth, what really happened, okay? That you were being bullied. They're finding out that you are innocent. You were the one being bullied the whole time, Divine Collective. And people are starting to walk away from someone that was bullying you and spreading rumors about you. 7:43 on the clock. For someone, transition is necessary. They have to stop holding on to the past here. Again, the ego has to die, Spirit says. Transition is necessary. Someone is now taking action. I do feel like someone's going to take action in this timeline, Divine Collective. Taking action does not mean that you will not have to face consequences. I just need to make that clear. But just know that that is a big step. That is a good step on your journey. Taking accountability, acknowledging what you've done and what you never want to do again, Divine Collective, okay? So just know that you can take accountability, but you have to be willing to face the consequences, the karmic debt that you've acquired, okay? Don't let that scare you. Don't let that stop you, Divine Collective. Continue moving forward. You have protection around your children here. They are protected. I love this because for 2 days now, Spirit has been having me do protection spells around children collectively, Divine Collective. So the fact that we're getting this card, I love this. Protection around your children. They are protected, okay? That is just Spirit clarifying, confirming that everything's good. There's no need to worry about anything, Divine Collective, okay? I do feel like a lot of you are walking away. You've made the decision to go in a different direction, possibly, you know, split up from someone, just go out on your own here, Divine Collective. I feel like a lot of you are just really wanting to finish what you started here, and you're walking away in order to do this. I see the orbs. There's so many orbs today. Spirit says, yes, you're getting all yeses. Whatever you're asking, Spirit is saying yes. Yes.